So, hi. So today we'll be talking about the conditional format and stop if true. So stop if true typically stops running your conditional formatting rules, but not the rule itself. So I'll demonstrate how to use the stop if true today. So if you already kept the conditional formatting, you can use stop if true to exclude the rule beside the other ones. So here we have list of individuals and they set as scores. So I'll put the conditional formatting on this course now. So I'll group it as everybody that got above 70 gets a green. If you get below 40, you get a red. Okay. So I'll come here, I'll go to conditional formatting and let me use the icon set for now. So Morris, make a number. To make a number. Above 17, you get a green, and above 40, you get a yellow. So below 40, you get a red. That's like I said. It's okay. So done this. But now I can also put a rule. So now I'll use stop if true to only show me the green. That's all I want to see. I only want to see the grains. I don't want to see every arrows. So I select again and I go to manage rules, create a new rule. Only based on what they call it. So I format the cells only based on what the cells content. So I want the cell value and I make this maybe this down. So if you get less than 70, if you get less than 17, press OK. Then I apply the stop if true. So now, because of the stop if true, I can only see those that have